Welcome back guys to our YouTube channel Being Business, and today I'm shooting my third video, and today our channel will be launching 3 videos, out of which one video mathematics part 2 of trigonometry is already launched. Second video for all the investors, in which I will be telling you about the fundamental analysis of Tata Chemicals. This is a must watch video for all the investors and for all the young beginners who want to invest in share market. So you have to first of all watch that video. I will be uploading it today only. And the third video, this will be also uploaded today, because we care about you. We know that your course is spending a lot, so we will be doing the rest examples that I left. In the first video that I have uploaded today, we have done 6 examples, and now we will be doing the from the 7th example and cover as much as the questions we can in this video. And for example, if we have done for example another 6 questions, and now there are 19 questions, as you know. So if now the 6 questions are left, we will cover it in the next video. Don't worry, because we have to do all the examples, because examples are very important. So now we are starting with the 7th question. See, already I have told you the basics, and also you can follow us on Instagram, and our Instagram handle is Being Business 2021. I repeat, Being Business 2021. And also see, we are doing a lot of efforts. We are making and uploading video every day. So please, I am telling the subscribers that you can please like, share. First of all, share the video, because everybody can benefit, and we also. So please share the video and also subscribe the channel. And you can comment us also for the problems that you are facing. We will solve it. So the 7th question is, find the degree measure of the angle subtended at the center of a circle of diameter 200 centimeter and arc 22 centimeter, and the value of pi is 22/7. So first of all, as we know that theta is equals to s upon r. Here the diameter is given 200 centimeter, and diameter is radius is equals to diameter by 2. So radius is equals to 100 centimeter, because in our formula we have to use radius. And the s, that is the arc, or s, is 22 centimeter. So this is the given. This is given. So first of all, we will find theta. Theta will be s upon r is 22 upon 100. So it will be 11.50. So this is in radians actually, and now we will convert it into degrees by multiplying it by 180 upon pi. So after which this will come in degrees. So we'll cut. So now we have to multiply 11 upon 5 into pi. We have the value of pi is already given, so first of all we will use that only. So it is given 11 into 18 upon 5 into 22 into 7. It will go here. So it will go 2 times, 9 times. So now at last it comes 63 upon 5. At last it comes 63 upon 5. So now this is in degrees. See, you can leave your answer here also, but if you want to find the answer in minutes, that is, you can further divide it. So now let's be divided. So 60, if you multiply 5 by 12, it becomes 60. So we know that 60 degrees will come. 12, not 60, 12 degrees will come. And the remaining is this much. Okay, the remaining is this much. I hope you are able to see. Yes, you are able to see. Yes. So now we will, first of all, I will copy it here. What is this? See, no teacher will solve all the examples for you, but I am solving, because we care about you, because we want that you should score high marks in your examinations. And also I want to tell you one thing, that we are also starting with the not Merchant of Venice, but the Tempest. We will teach you 4 things. All the word meanings will be given, and also the question answers and all, and we will cover whole Merchant of Venice, but we have to just wait for 2 to 3 days so that we can make them. And now we will see, now we have to actually convert the degrees into minutes. For this we will multiply into 60. It will go 12 times, so it becomes like this, 36 minutes. So this is our answer. A simple question. You can remove the plus sign. So you can check here also, the answer is coming this only. So now we are moving forward to the eighth question. The eighth question says, in a circle of diameter 40 centimeter, the length of a chord is 20 centimeter. So we have given the diameter, that is from which we can find radius. The length of a chord is given, the length, not arc but a chord. The length of a chord is given 20 centimeter. Find the length of a minor arc. So we have been given radius and we have been given chord. So what should we do to find the minor arc of the circle? So first of all, we will write what are we given. In the question it is given length is diameter is 40 centimeter, radius is equals to d by 2, that is diameter by 2, that is 20 centimeter. So you come here, it will come here, and the chord length is given 20 centimeter. Okay, so we have to find the arc, but here we have to find theta also. First of all, we have to find theta, after which we will be able to find a minor arc. So for this we have to simply do, first of all we have to make a circle. It's very easy. And then the circle is having the center O and the chord is, for example, AB, and we join this. So we can see these are radius. Okay, so these are radius, that is these two lines are equal to each other. So if these two lines are equal to each other, then this angle is, and this angle is x, and this angle is x, that is the both are same. So this angle will be 180 minus 2x. Okay, this angle will be 180 minus 2x. But first of all we have to remember one thing, that the radius is 20 centimeter, the chord is 20 centimeter, that is the value of radius is 20, the value of chord is 20. So we can also say that these all the lines are equal, so everything will be x, that is it is an equilateral triangle. Simple. So angle BOA 60, angle OAB again 60, angle ABO again 60. So now we have founded the theta. Now we have to simply find, first of all, theta is equals to S upon R, so we have to find arc. Yes, or it will be theta into R. So it's simple, theta is 60 degree into R. What is R? R is 20. So we will not directly multiply, we will change it into the radians first of all, and then we will find the value of S, arc. So we got 20 pi by 3. So first of all we should see that in this question it is not given that, for example, in this question it was given that we have to use the value of pi as 22 by 7, but in this question it is not given. So we can leave the answer here only, and the answer is 20 pi by 3 centimeter, and our answer is also just the same. So we will write here that the answer is this only. So now we are moving to the ninth question. So it's actually, first of all, the seventh question was sixth question was very easy. Seventh question was very easy. It was a typical logical question, but now it's a bit typical question, and we have to actually concentrate in this question. So what does this question say? This question says that a circular wire of radius 3 centimeter, so the radius is given, a circular wire of radius 3 centimeter is cut and bent so as to lie along a circumference of a hoop whose radius is 48 centimeter. So there is a circular wire whose radius is 3 centimeter, which is cut and bent it into so that it can lie along the circumference of a hoop whose radius is 48 centimeter. So for example, a hoop is like this circular. I am not making in the book, but for example it is circular and there is a circular wire and we keep it like this here. I will draw the diagram. So find the angle and degree which is subtended at the center of the hoop. So this is a simple question. First of all, first of all, you will get marks also when if you draw the diagrams and you write the readings that are given. So a circular wire of radius 3 centimeter, big circumference hoops radius apostrophe is equals to 48 centimeter. For example, if this is a hoop and here a circumference lie, a circular wire lies of 3 centimeter, that is the arc. This is the circumference in which this is lying, which becomes arc, and the theta angle we have to find, because it is saying find the angle in degrees which is subtended at the center of the hoop, and this is the radius of that. So 48 centimeter. So see, I am making the question easy for you by making this diagram. This is the big circumference hoop and this is the circular wire 3 centimeter which is kept on it. So it becomes the arc for the big circumference hoop. We have to find the theta angle and the radius is 48 centimeter. Okay, so we know our formula is simple. Theta is equals to s upon r. So radius is 3. Let me write it on the next page, not here. So we know that theta is equals to s upon r. Our s is 3. Now r is 48, so it goes up on the 16th. So the answer is this, but we have to give in degrees, this is in radians, so we will multiply it by 180 by pi. So we will multiply it by 180 by pi so that we can convert it in degrees. So here the value of pi we don't have to use. We can actually use also, but here we don't have to use. So first of all, let me tell you that we can do like this. That is 45/4 by pi. 45. Let me check. 16, 8. 45. Yes, 45/4 by pi. Yes. So 1 second, there's a notification that while solving the sum I got to know that one thing I've done wrong, because see, by looking at this equation only I understood that the answer will come wrong, because one thing I misunderstood, and that was it was given that the circular wire of radius 3 centimeter, it is given the radius. So first of all we have to find the circumference of the circular wire, which we will keep it on the circumference of this. So I'm explaining the question again. So that's why I said never skip a video. So I am doing it again. That was my fault. So I say sorry for it. So first of all we do it again. So in this is circular. See, I understood that the question is going wrong. That's why I stopped the video of radius. The radius is 3 centimeter. So we have to find the circumference. So circumference would be formula is 2 pi r. So we will like this 2 into pi. So we can also we will write it like this here. So the big circumference was of hoop radius equals to 48 centimeter. Theta is equals to s upon r. The diagram was correct. I am drawing here it again. So this was theta 48 centimeter, and this is the circumference, that is 6 pi. This is the circumference, that is the 6 pi. So we will now put here, so s upon r, that is 48 upon r, that is 6 pi. So the answer will be like this. Sorry, I am a little confused. The 6 pi will come up and 48 here. Yes. Now it will be like this, pi upon 8. So this is the correct answer. So now we will, as it is in radians, theta is equals to pi by 8. So now I will change it into what? Into degrees. So to change it into degrees, we will multiply it by 180 degree by pi. So now this is our final answer. You can actually convert it into minutes also, so but we are leaving it here only. So first of all, let me explain that if you have not skipped the video. So first of all, let me explain that the ninth question I have done earlier was wrong because I misunderstood one thing. I didn't calculate the circumference. So this question is wrong. First question wrong. Sorry for that. So the circular wire's radius was given 3 cm. First of all, we have to find the circumference so that we can put the circumference of this wire in the circumference of the hoop. The radius of the hoop is 48 cm, and then by the formula 2 pi r, first of all we find the circumference of this radius, circular wire's radius. Okay, so then we find that we know that the hoop's radius is 48, and then we have to find the angle of first theta, that is angle of theta in degrees. So theta is equals to s upon r. Then we put it, the circumference is, the arc is 6 pi upon 48, that is the radius. Then it becomes pi by 8. To convert the degree, the radians into degree, we multiply it by pi, 180 by pi. So pi cut from pi, then we divide it, then answer comes this 45 upon 2 degrees. We can convert it into further into minutes and seconds maybe. So now we are moving towards the 10th question. So that was my fault in the 9th question, but now I have explained you the full 10th question, 9th question concept. So now we will understand the 10th question. So what does this 10th question say? So the 10th question says, if the arc of the same length in two circles, so the arcs are same, subtend angles of 60 degree and 70 degree at their respective centers, find the ratio of their radii or radius. Okay, this is a simple question. It is saying that there are two circles. Sorry, I am not drawing with the compass, I am roughly drawing it. In example also you can roughly draw it. There is no need to use compass in the certain types of question until they are asked to do construction. So there are arcs of same length, and there are two circles. One theta is 60 degree and the other theta is 75 degree. The arcs are same, the arcs are similar. We have to find their arc. So let it be r1, this is the r2. We know that theta is equals to s upon r. Theta is equals to s upon r. But first of all, in this first circle and in the second circle, we will convert this 60 degree theta into radians by multiplying it by pi by 80. So it will come like this, is equals to pi by 3. And in this we will also do the same. By multiplying 75 degrees into pi by 180. So it will be like this. So now we will use it. We have to find the ratio of the radii. The arcs are just the same. So name it as first of all theta 1 and theta 2. So we have to find the ratio of what? Ratio of radii. So I know that if you are watching if you have watched the first video and the second video, you will do this. You will simply do it as theta 1 is equals to s1 upon r1. Theta 2 is equals to s2 upon r2. So theta 1 upon theta 2 is equals to s1 upon r1 into s2 into upon r2, like this simply. So as we know that theta is here pi by, I think it was pi by 3 only. Let me check. Yes, it is pi by 3 and it is into 5 pi into 2. And here the what was the s1 and s2 were same. So we can also write it as only because they were same. So here we will write it as s into r2 we have to find, r1 we have to find into s. So s will cut by s, pi will go by pi, it will go by 4. So from this we will get that r2 upon r1. So r1 upon r2 is equals to 5 by 4. So let me check the answer if it is correct or not. So see, The answer is correct, 5 by 4. So it was a simple question. You can see it here that the answer is 5 by 4. So sorry, the page changed. It is 5 by 4, 5 by 4. So now we are solving the your 11th question. So the 11th question states that it's a bit interesting question, that the large hand of a big clock is 35 centimeter long. How many does its tips move in 9 minutes? So for this, let me tell you one thing, that first of all, that 60 minutes, see, first of all we know that the big hand is for minutes, so we will write it like this: 60 minutes is equal to 360 degrees. For example, there is a clock and there is the minutes one and this is the hour one. This is a clock, and if this no, I'm giving you another example which would be easy for you. See, just now it's 12 o'clock. This is the big hand and this is the R end one, this is the small one. Now it's 12 o'clock, and if this one moves from here till here, that is 60 minutes, and now the time will become 1 o'clock, but it has moved 60 minutes, and we can see that it has moved the full circle, by which we get that 60 minutes is equals to 360 degrees. So from this we can also calculate that 1 minute is equals to 360 degrees upon 60, that is 6 degrees. 1 minute is equals to 6 degrees. So this is the question, and now we have to, and it is the question is given, how many centimeter does it tip move, that it moves if it moves 9 minutes. So in 1 minute it moves 6 degrees, in 9 minutes it will simply move 54 degrees. And also, as we know that pi is equals to 180 degree, so 2 pi is equals to 360 degrees. So we can write 360 degrees also is equals to 2 pi. So first of all, this is the question, and now we will solve it. So here you can see that 9 minutes is equals to 54 degrees, but I told you that as pi is equals to 180 degree and 2 pi is equals to 360 degrees, and also that we have to find here arc S, because see, the large hand clock of bigger clock is 35 centimeter long, that it is given R. See, and then we have found the theta angle. So here, as we know, we have to find the answer in radians. So we will first of all convert it into radians by multiplying it by pi by 180. And the second thing that you can do is that you can, here 1 minute, as we have written here, you can we have written 360, you can write it as 2 pi. As I told you, pi is equals to 180 degree, so 2 pi is equals to 60 degree. You can here write 2 pi upon 60 into 9. So 1 minute, 1 minute is equals to 6 degrees, that is 2 pi by 60, but if we have to find 9 minutes, we will multiply it by 9. So then also it will come, that is 3 pi by 10, and here also it will come. First of all, it will go by 20, it will go by 6, that is 3 by 10. So both are one and the same thing. You can also use pi, you can also use like this 50. So we have converted into radians. Now we will find, first of all we write theta is equals to S upon R, and theta is equals to S is equals to R into theta. So by we will find S by S. The length of the big hand clock was 35 centimeter. We will then theta is 3 pi by 10. So we will cut. So the answer is 7. Okay. 21 pi by 2. And also, first of all, let me tell you that we can also use the value of pi as 22 by 7, and here we can write, first of all, this is nothing. Here we can write as, just a second, and here we can write it as it was, first of all, let me check, 21 pi by 2, so it will become 21 into 22 2 into 7, 11, 33 centimeter. You can leave it there also because the value of pi was not given, so you can leave it here also, you can leave it here also. So let us check if the answer is right or not. So the answer is right, 33 centimeter, and here also 33 centimeter. So see, they have also done the same thing, though it was not given that we have to use pi as 22 by 7, but they have used the value of pi as 22 by 7 and then found out the answer. So I am now ending the video here only. We have done 11 examples, and now as there are until 8 examples are left, so the next video can be a long video, but I will complete it in the next video only, because viewers don't like to watch long videos, and also it's becomes boring. But see, we are solving all questions for you, all the questions of the examples, best preparation for the exams. So please follow us on Instagram, and our Instagram handle is Being Business 2021. I repeat, Being Business 2021. And also you can support us by subscribing the channel, by liking, and also please share the videos. You can share the videos on your first of all, you can post our videos on the Instagram. You can actually share our videos on the WhatsApp, and there are many apps. So you can please support us by subscribing the channel and sharing the videos. So thanks for watching. Please like, share and comment. Thank you.